Difference between these two versions, aside from the texturing, the design. So this is the ortho maps, and this one has a honeycomb design. Obviously both are executed in Ultem. Now in terms of the length, I did see a very slight difference. They're actually lengthwise they're the same, but in terms of the design here on this section, on the ortho version, it is slightly shorter by about 2 millimeters. You see, this section on the honeycomb version is slightly longer. Absolutely identical on the internals and on the mechanism. They're the same. It's just which design you prefer. Both very lovely, and remember they also make most of their stuff in titanium as well. They have very nice titanium versions of the Drafttitan pencil. This is one good example how the Drafttitan pens can be used. We're just drafting the first floor of our new house now, and the pencil is very helpful here. It has good tip. It sharpens up to a very fine tip as well, and as always with Maratac, with the kits they send you lifetime supplies of the core, the replacement pencil. Check them out. Make sure you use my discount codes for additional 10% off on your entire order. Cheers.